Hello everyone, it's a particularly nice day today, so I thought I would take a moment to show you where I am. So I'm just outside Sunbury train station at the moment. There's also a little bus terminus here. So the buses wave hello. Here comes another one. They all leave at the same time, so you always get this mass exodus. So up ahead we have the train station, and here it's partly regional, partly metropolitan, which we call metro trains here. So I'll just show you what the buses look like. It is middle of winter, so there's very little leaves on the trees here, but it is particularly sunny. So we are about a week from spring. Very soon all of these trees will be covered in cherry blossoms and stuff like that, which is one of the nicest times here. So we'll have all of that coming shortly. This is the little train station up ahead. You will have seen me show you the little Sunbury community garden quite a few times, which is just across the road here. I often spend a few minutes there when I can while I'm waiting. And because I can't resist the sun. So I'm going to head over here to the supermarket again. Okay, let's go this way. Let me show you what the little bus terminus looks like. So all the buses start and finish here. And they'll coordinate with the train. So a train will come in and there'll be a bus waiting if people need to get it to their final destination. So that's how all that happens. So I'm off to Coles, which is one of our main supermarket chains, do a bit of shopping. I made a little video there the other day, so I'm trying to get a few more goodies for everyone. So I am on the outskirts of Melbourne. This used to be a very small country town up until recently, and it's now been absorbed in the greater Melbourne. Whereas when I was growing up, this was very much a little country town. So it's still got that nice country feel, which I very much like. It's far nicer than the suburbs in the city as well, where I spent a huge amount of time. So much prefer this. So there we go, let's go shopping.